You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is u equals 43/12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all u terms on the left side of the equation. Add u to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 7/3 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the u. Divide both sides by 4. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is u equals 43/12.